Can I join you guys?
What chassis is it?
MF-01X.
Okay.
The mini rally.
Yeah.
Yours is an XV01?
Yeah.
I just opened the box to mine. I want to build mine. It's also a Subaru, but not this one. Oh, this is so much fun.
I swapped it over to this is with the new chassis.
Huh?
I changed the XV01 chassis on this one.
Oh, nice.
So flat rail chassis.
Oh yeah, you mentioned that. Yeah. How is it?
It actually has some decent alignment on it now, so it drives better. And then I put a Servo motor on it.
Oh, sweet.
So it actually feels much better.
They made a really good course with all these like plants and tires. Oh, I spun out. So cool.
Pretty good course.
Yeah. Oh, so,
I like the plan.
yeah. You want to try mine?
Yeah. Here.
We swap a little bit? Okay. Right.
Thing is so cool.
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead? Get a feel for it.
Oh, I love it.
The only thing I did was make the front dip thicker than the rear dip.
What kind of tires are on it?
Just the rally block tires from the kit. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to go too far.
I think I have a really crazy curve on there, steering curve.
Ah,
Take it out.
maybe a little bit less then?
Yeah. It's like maxed out.
Yeah, this will take a little bit of learning to get used to your car, but it's so much fun. I like how it just slides through the corner, like the tail whips out.
Yeah. It rotates a lot, right?
Oh yeah. You can do all kinds of counter steering stuff and
Good. Oh my god.
oh yeah. Oh, there goes the tire. Dude, I was watching one of Dario's latest videos on YouTube. Dario RC.
Oh, the rally guy?
The rally guy, yeah. So I think he's from the Czech Republic or something.
Yeah.
And they have they go to this warehouse area and they have all kinds of terrain, like asphalt and dirt.
That's where that chassis is from the Czech Republic.
Oh really? Wow. That is nice. Yeah, they have a huge RC rally scene there.
They do.
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this. It's like little throttle punches, that's okay. The plant takes a beating. Should we go back?
Hold on, I might have something might have.
Oh, maybe the wire or something?
Did your
Oh yeah.
saver pop?
Yeah. Here. Take your controller.
Go check it out.
Yeah, I think the screw just came loose.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, this thing popped out, I think. See that? screw.
Oh, that screw popped out.
Yeah,
Oh.
from here.
It might have backed out, yeah.
Yeah, so it's just unscrewed, you know, like just need Loctite. No. RAL,
This is for the broken handle pack.
it's really not broken actually.
It just backed out.
Yeah, but I mean these things are durable.
MF-01?
Yeah, MF-01X.
Okay.
Yeah, they have the Beetle. They have the Ford Escort with the blue wheels.
Okay.
So there's a few bodies that you can pick.
Yeah.
It's pretty indestructible. Like this. Yeah, you know, it's pretty indestructible. I think.
Is this open drive? Is it free drive now?
I think so. Yes.
Stuck online.
All right, that was fun.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries. It's not broken.
Yeah.